Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link a bank account or credit card to Cashapp. Let's get straight into the video. So to link a bank account, all you got to do is open the Cashapp on your mobile device, and then you got to tap the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then just tap linked accounts or add bank to start the linking process. Now you want to select the bank account as the account type, and now just enter your bank's routing number and account number, and then just verify your account by logging into your online banking or using the instant verification option if that's available, and then confirm that you want to link the bank account to Cashapp. Now to link a credit card, what you got to do is open the Cashapp on your mobile device, and then tap the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap linked accounts or add card to start the linking process. Now select credit card as the account type, then enter your credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Now you gotta verify your card by confirming the card details and confirm that you want to link the credit card to Cashapp. Now a couple of tips and reminders. The first, of course, is to ensure that you enter accurate information to avoid linking issues. You also want to verify your account or card to ensure that it is linked correctly. Also, be sure to monitor your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions. And don't forget to update your account or card information if it changes to avoid any linking issues. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link a bank account or credit card to Cashapp. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.